Creating the perfect surveillance system for your client can be challenging. With so many available components, it takes time to get a system exactly right. Thankfully, Axis has a whole host of tools to support your project from start to finish. With Axis Product Selector, you can easily find the things that will work best for your clients. And Axis Device Manager, for example, it lets you do things like configuring and updating multiple devices at the same time, and even at multiple sites. There's also an entire suite of CAD tools with interactive camera models that help you understand how your system will perform in the real world. If a customer needs a quote as soon as possible, Axis Site Designer lets you put complete systems together. You can even reuse previous projects and templates to make them suitable for new customers. So with Axis, every step of designing surveillance systems can be straightforward and quick.